a cosy corner store cafe with a contemporary twist.
Hi, I'm Cass from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Join me for a delicious coffee and a tasty bite at one of our city's favourite corner store cafes, the Brew.
This cosy cafe boasts a local vibe, great hospitality and plenty of indoor and outdoor seating. Choose to people watch out the front or head round the back for a lovely garden setting. The Brew are masters of delicious fare with a seasonal menu packed with cafe classics and modern twists. We're in luck today as they have just launched a brand new menu packed with local goodness. There's the Eggs Benny with Wagga Wagga's artisan baker sourdough and Holbrook paddock eggs, Riverina gin cured salmon or the classic smashed avo sprinkled with Coolaman cheese feta. There really is something for everyone. The hardest thing is deciding what to order. I've landed on the Riverina gin cured salmon today. It's now time for coffee number 2, but this time to go. Thanks for following along. To discover more top spots to eat and drink when you visit our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.